Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to talk about my thoughts on the BrailleSense Polaris built-in web browser. I'm making a separate video out of it because in the last video I did where I gave my updated thoughts on the Polaris, I actually forgot to talk about it. So I have to do a separate video. The web browser is, like, I guess you would call it, designed by HIMS for the Polaris. I mean, you can use the Chrome app too, the actual real Chrome app from the Google Play Store, but I don't like that because it's really cumbersome to use and kind of annoying. And plus, if you like go to websites where there's articles, sometimes on the Chrome app it's very hard to find the text of said article. Like Wikipedia, for example, it doesn't work too well. And I find the web browser for the Polaris, for the most part, is good, but it really sucks in other ways because, like, all internet web browsers today, they use JavaScript, which makes a lot of websites work fine. For some idiotic, stupid reason, the web browser on the Polaris has no JavaScript. So, a lot of websites don't work on it, or, like, will never ever load. Like, you'll go there and it'll just keep saying loading on the Braille display and nothing will happen. I've done this with a couple sites and left it go for like 20 minutes and it's still said the page was loading. So I have to always close out the web browser. I find that really annoying and stupid that a lot of websites don't load on it well or load at all. And you can't use Twitter on the BrailleSense Polaris built-in web browser because on either setting, desktop mode or mobile mode, there's no way to actually compose and tweet out a tweet. It's not even possible to like or retweet things from people you follow or even reply to people you follow on the web browser, which I find really annoying and stupid too. You used to be able to use Twitter well with the Polaris when it first came out, but since like the second or third firmware update to the Polaris, it changed how the interface for Twitter was, and I don't like it now, so I have to get used to using the app. It was just easier to use the web browser. And another thing that really bugs me about the web browser is that there's no way to erase the browser history, which is really stupid, because since you can't, the history just builds up and up and up and up and up and up. For example, my history's got like over 14,000 things in it. Since there's no way to erase the web browser history completely, it just keeps adding up. You can delete things one thing at a time, but that's a stupid way of doing it, so I've never done it. So I just let the things just keep building up and up. I think that HIMS should totally work on the web browser and fix these issues, especially giving it a way to delete the internet history, and to also fix it so it has JavaScript, which is a big complaint of mine. And to also make sure there's a way for the user interface of Twitter to work fine on it, and make sure other websites can work actually which they probably would if it had JavaScript. So that's my video about the Polaris's web browser, which is good in some respects, but most of the time it's not. I know I kind of sound angry about this in this video, but it's the truth. I'm angry about the web browser. I don't like how it is. They need to work on it and fix it, along with all the other issues I've talked about. So I would suggest that they get on the ball. Well, that does it for this video. Talk to you guys soon. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, or like my official Facebook page if you would rather, at www.facebook.com/official Breitenbach. And follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/JeremyBbach. That's twitter.com/JeremyBbach. Hope to talk to you guys soon with another update on Tim's story as well. Talk to you later.